Gentlemen, if you're not eating a handful of nuts before bed, you're missing one of the simplest ways to boost testosterone and restore rock-solid erections. Nature has given us foods that fuel hormones and circulation, and some of the best are right in your nut bowl. Today, I'll share which nuts work best, how they support testosterone, and how a small nightly habit can transform your energy, confidence, and performance. Let's dive in. Erections rely on three things: circulation, hormones, and nerve health. Testosterone production depends on nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats. Nuts are packed with these, plus antioxidants that slow aging. For men over 50, nuts are a perfect balance. Concentrated nutrition that's easy to digest, so your body can use it immediately. You'll feel the benefits by morning. 1. Walnuts, the all-rounder. Walnuts are a powerhouse for men over 50, supporting testosterone, circulation, energy, and mood. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which act like oil for your blood vessels, reducing inflammation and keeping arteries flexible. This is critical for strong erections, as flexible arteries allow blood to flow freely. Walnuts also boost nitric oxide, the chemical that opens blood vessels during arousal, thanks to their high arginine content, an amino acid directly linked to erection strength. Beyond circulation, walnuts fight oxidative stress with antioxidants like polyphenols, protecting hormone-producing tissues and slowing testosterone decline. They also support mood and sleep by aiding serotonin and melatonin production, calming your nervous system. Better sleep means more testosterone, as your body produces most of it at night. Just a small handful of walnuts, about 30 grams, before bed can improve energy, mood, and performance. 2. Almonds, the hormone balancer. Almonds are a time-tested food for vitality, targeting both hormones and circulation. They're loaded with magnesium, a mineral your testes need to produce testosterone. Low magnesium speeds up hormone decline, but almonds help maintain steady levels. Magnesium also calms nerves, improving sleep and reducing tension, which supports nighttime testosterone production. Almonds provide vitamin E, the fertility vitamin, which keeps blood vessels elastic for better blood flow and stronger erections. They also stabilize blood sugar, preventing spikes that damage vessels and lower testosterone. Plus, their healthy fats and antioxidants protect testes from oxidative stress. A handful of 20-25 almonds nightly promotes firmer erections, stable energy, and a confident mood. 3. Brazil nuts, the testosterone charger. Brazil nuts are a selenium goldmine, a mineral vital for testosterone and sperm health. Your testes need selenium to function properly. Without it, hormone production falters. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts deliver your daily selenium needs, making them an easy addition to your routine. But moderation is key. Too much selenium can cause fatigue or health issues. Stick to 1-2 nuts daily. Men who eat Brazil nuts regularly report higher energy, stronger libido, and more reliable erections. Their healthy fats and protein further support hormone balance, making them a natural supplement for male health. Add a couple to your nightly mix for a powerful boost. 4. Pistachios, the circulation booster. Pistachios are small but mighty, packed with arginine to boost nitric oxide and improve blood flow for firmer erections. They also balance cholesterol, lowering harmful LDL and raising protective HDL, which keeps arteries clear, a must for men over 50, as stiff arteries are a common cause of erectile issues. Studies show men eating pistachios daily report stronger erections and better stamina. Pistachios also support heart health, which is directly tied to erectile function. A strong heart and healthy vessels mean better performance and vitality. A small handful nightly enhances circulation, energy, and confidence. 5. Cashews, the zinc powerhouse. Cashews are rich in zinc, a critical mineral for testosterone production. Low zinc levels, common in men over 50, lead to hormone decline. Cashews replenish zinc naturally, supporting steady testosterone. They also provide monounsaturated fats, like those in olive oil, to nourish cells and balance hormones without clogging arteries. With small amounts of magnesium and antioxidants, cashews protect circulation and reduce stress hormones. A handful of 20-25 cashews before bed stabilizes energy, strengthens erections, and boosts mood and immunity. Don't overdo it. Nuts are calorie-dense, and excess can lead to weight gain, which lowers testosterone. Instead, make it a nightly ritual. Take a 30-gram handful, mixing walnuts, almonds, pistachios, cashews, and 1-2 Brazil nuts. Eat them slowly as a snack or mix into yogurt or warm milk. This signals your body to relax and prepares it for deep sleep. When testosterone production peaks. Why nighttime? Your body makes most testosterone during deep sleep. By eating these nutrients beforehand, you fuel the process. After 3 weeks of this habit, you'll likely notice more energy, stronger morning erections, and a lighter mood. Intimacy feels effortless, and confidence grows. Gentlemen, your body can do more than you think, even after 50. Walnuts, almonds, Brazil nuts, pistachios, and cashews deliver the nutrients needed to keep testosterone and erections strong. This simple nightly habit can rebuild what time has tried to take away. If you found this helpful, subscribe for weekly science-based tips to restore vitality and live with confidence. Your best years are ahead, and it starts with small steps like this.